Okay, so what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to put silicone for your Rubik's Cube. I just found this in my home, and I think you can buy it at Walmart, and you can use it with a pipe for spray into the Rubik's Cube like that. So first, I'm just gonna like piece. And just take off all the bottom of the first place. Like that. Now I'm gonna use this one. Just take this spray. You just come, just like spray right here, just like that. Just need, you can see it's coming in. Don't need to take a lot, just put a lot. This should be good. Now, just a little bit. Now you can see that's pretty much lubricating. Now you just do the same thing with the other side. So I'm gonna just put it back, and I'm gonna do it just put it down to the reverse side. Okay, so now just reverse it. I'm gonna place it some more right here. Now just pay attention where I place it. I just have to place it right here when it's rolling like that. And just put a little bit around it. Now, right, same thing here. Same thing here. And a little bit there also. So now it's pretty much lubricated. You're just gonna place it back. Okay, so now you're ready. You just move it like that. And it's pretty much lubricated. So this bubble, and it's pretty much that. So thanks for watching. Hope this little video helped you. So see you.